Welcome to my roofing website quote calculator demo. If you're a roofer, you can add this to your site fast as well. There's a self-install. I'm going to show you how to use this tool. If you want to come and check this out for yourself and play with this tool, see how you like it, come on over. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box. There's also going to be a link to this tool. I have this listed on Etsy for one low price of $67. You're not going to find anything that's this high-end quality for one low time fee. And you can literally have this if you're a roofer, if you're a contractor, you can literally have this installed on your site in literally 2 minutes. All you're doing is copying the code, pasting it, and your calculator is live and ready to go. So it's super easy. So with that being said, let me show you how to use this. There's no coding required. There's a homeowner and contractor mode. There's a print and save PDF button. So right now we're in homeowner mode. You also got contractor mode right here. So if you're a roofer and you want to do your own custom quotes, you can do it right with this tool. And all your potential clients that come to your website, they've got an awesome tool to use that's going to keep them on your site, keep them engaged, and then getting your phone ringing as well. So it's a 2-in-1 tool. And I'm going to show you how this works here real quick. And there's also some advanced settings that you're going to love as well. I'm going to show you. So all you do is enter your roof size. We're going to do this real quick because I don't want this video to get too long. You can come on over and check this out for yourself. Roofing material. These are all the different types of roofing material. We're going to keep it there. Tear off layer. Roof pitch. You got different pitches. Stories. Roof complexity. Roof condition. Roof access, roof features, region, cost level, timeline. You also got notes you can add here. So we're just going to put in the roof size of the roofing material and then the tear off needed. What we just click, all we do next is click get my estimate. And here you go. Low, mid, high estimate. Breaks it down for you by material, labor, tear off, waste allowance, permit, disposal, dumpster averages. So it's going to give a rough ballpark estimate. It's not going to be exact, obviously. It's just going to give your potential customers a rough estimate that should be pretty close. And the goal here is to get them to call you, obviously. And all they do is they click the call now button and they can call you. And this is all right here. It says your roofing company. This is all editable. So you can put your name, your roofing company, your number here. Your number would also go to the call now, copy results button. There's a save PDF and a print button. Now this is another cool part here. You click advanced settings. See it pops up right here. You can switch all this. Main header, headline, trust badge. You can switch all this stuff. It's all customizable. Business info. There's a phone number there, website. You can even put your logo URL in. You can switch the colors. Homeowner text, the disclaimer, contractor text, default pricing settings you can switch. Is all very customizable, all very easy to use. Let's see how many options you have. And then you just click Save Changes. You can preview the changes, all that good stuff. You can even copy your full embedded code. So you just click Save Changes and all your customizable inputs are going to come here. Are going to show up on your calculator. Calculator / it's more of a lead gen tool. And this is the contractor mode right here. Look how cool this is. Job name, customer name. You can build a detailed estimate with your own costs, markups, and margins. And it's got the cost inputs right here. Tear off cost, other costs. It's even got sales tax percentage for your state. You can put that in there. Job notes. Same thing works here. You click calculate estimate and it's going to come out with a ballpark estimate for everything. So this is it. Awesome tool. If you want to check this out for yourself, if you're a roofer, you want to check this out, you want to use it, that's fine for free. You can come on over to my site here. Link's going to be the second one below. If you want this installed on your own site, that's going to be the first link in the video description box below. You can also come on over here and click get it on Etsy for $67. Awesome deal, awesome tool. And if you're a roofer, this is going to come in really handy for you. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe for all future video updates. And if you have any questions, you can shoot me a comment in the comment section directly below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.